My name is Alan. I'm a fish. What type? Tilapia maybe. Talapia were big in ancient Egypt. A sign of regeneration. Nah, not sure why. Something to do with how they carry their young in the mouth, perhaps. Search me, nobody tells me anything round here. Why was I put on a tapestry? Not a clue. I've got a 3-second memory, you know. Women made a lot of tapestries, I know that much. Wove them on looms. There were goddesses for weaving. A lady called Neith. Ancient Egyptians thought she created the world on a loom and that she reweaved it every day. That's a lot of knitting. Much more fun swimming around in the Nile or an ornamental pool for a week with a few mates. Some posh Egyptians wouldn't eat the likes of us. Say they were as common as muck. There, lass, I might be over 1,000 years old, but I'm well preserved. Get it? Well preserved? Like a mummy? Oh, forget it. Here's one. An Egyptian architect said to the Egyptian builder, "You know how to build a pyramid." The builder turns round and says, "Yeah, up to a point." Get it? Up to a point? Oh, I'm wasted here. You're better off talking to those leather shoes over there.